we're so touristy. As soon as we sit down, we start taking pictures and stuff and video.
おしぼりをどうぞ。井出中メーカーの一茶まんじゅうでございます。
ありがとうございます。
お抹茶をどうぞ。はい、
どうも。
はい、どうぞ。後ほどお部屋にご案内いたします。どうぞ。
はい、どうも。So as soon as we arrive and check in, they confiscate our bags. Refuse to let us take it to the room. Then they sit us down to have some green tea. It's a really nice ryokan. From the outside, it looks a little, maybe a little run down, but inside is just absolutely gorgeous. So before we make a mess in our room, I'm gonna take a video, little tour. This is a Ryokan, which is a traditional old style Japanese room. And this was actually a quite large, really nice Ryokan. You have a big sitting area right here. Are we eating here or downstairs? Downstairs, okay. But sometimes they'll come and serve you in your room and just set it up right there. Let's check out the view from the outside so you can open it. Wow. Oh my goodness, look at this view. Beautiful. And then over here is where they will probably set up the futon, which are the not necessarily mattresses, but the futons. Yeah, so they just they will come and set it up. Usually when you're out eating dinner, which is at 6 p.m. for us tonight, they will magically just appear in the room and just set it up for you. These are actually quite thick. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, okay. Oh, that's gonna be comfortable. Normally, I hate to admit it, but normally we travel with air mattresses in the car because our extra fluffy bodies don't like sleeping on the floor. Because oh, there's even more. Huh? Oh yeah, this is more little mattresses, kind of air mattresses. And a little sitting area where we can enjoy some coffee and some drinks looking out. So yeah, this is actually one of the nicer ryokans that we have stayed at. Not the nicest, because we did stay at the Kagaya once, and that one was another special occasion for Thanksgiving last year. Nice double sink. And looks like there's a bathtub in here. But they also have an onsen, which I am definitely going to enjoy. Nagano is famous for onsens. Station for drinks and a little refrigerator. So yeah, this is a really cool place. Okay, so there's no one outside in the Rotenboro right now, the outside onsen. So I brought my camera in real quick so I can show. This was one of the best onsens I've been in as far as comfort. I sat in here good 20-30 minutes. Usually this side right here where the water comes in is the hottest side, and then just move over to the other side, which is a little bit cooler. and go back and forth, till you can't take it anymore. That is the best right there. So again, I just spent about a good 20-30 minutes in here. And then I also jumped in the bubble one right here, which was freaking awesome. And next door there's the female one, which at 10 p.m. they switch over to males. So I'm coming back after 10 p.m. to get in the onsen again. So it's almost 6 p.m. This is the time that we told the front desk that we're going to go eat dinner. And normally by the time we get there, the food is set up, ready to go. A full course again. And then at the Ryokan, I guarantee you, as soon as we walk in, the bed will be made and everything for us. They're like ninjas. They're watching you leave. Not really, because they know when you're leaving, because you already said that that's what time you're gonna eat dinner. And then when you come back, you're gonna come back to a stone laid out, ready for you to sleep. So we're gonna go and eat some dinner, drink a few beers and drinks, and then we're gonna go back to the Ryokan again. Not that Ryokan. Back to the onsen again, right, Choco? Mm. Look at this meat. Oh my. Can't wait to get you in my tummy. That looks good. They're gonna come and turn it on. There's a little candle on the bottom. They turn it on, and then once it stops, it's ready. What do we have over here? What's here? Some sort of soup. And the drinks are coming. And this is probably course one of who knows how many, right? Of all of these right here. And I think here come the drinks. Hi, domo. あ、すいませんね。
こちらもらっていきますね。
あ、あ、この蓋。
ありがとうございます。
はい、どうも。
乾杯する前にじゃあ私はちょっと火を入れていきます。飛び蒸しでございます。アワビなしの飛び蒸しになってます。器大変熱くなりますので、沸騰しましたらこちらの方に置いていただいて、おちょこの方で先をお召し上がりくださいませ。お願いいたします。
はい、どうも。
はい、失礼いたします。
So this is round 2, sashimi. Unfortunately, I don't like sashimi, so Choco always gets to enjoy my sashimi, and then I get something from her. So it's no big deal, but still looks good, looks fresh. With a little flour there.
You can eat the jelly.
The jelly. Okay, this is round 3, soba. Is that cold soba or hot soba?
Cold.
Cold soba? That's a cold soba, round 3.
卵ね、こちらで溶いていただいたのをかけていただいて、
この中に入れるんです。
そうですね。
卵としみたいな。
そうですね。それパッタのすき焼き風に卵をつけになって召し上がっていただいてもどちらでも大丈夫です。
はい。
お好きな召し上がり方で。
ブクブクしてきてから。
そうですね。今こんな状態ですので、吹いてまいりますので、そしたら卵をかけていただいてもよろしいですし。はい。
わかりました。ありがとうございます。You want more beer? あ、すいません。もう一杯生ビール一つ。
生ビール、はい、かしこまりました。
So now this is round 4, and then that's maybe round 5. So she came and gave us the fish, and then lit the fire for the sukiyaki, and it's all about the timing of the course. Okay, so what round was this? What? Round 5? 6? Well, a minute ago it was 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. これ7.
This is round 7. She said some sort of shrimp something. Oh, okay. Shrimp. soup, I guess, with some different vegetables in there. And then rice is coming, and then the sukiyaki is cooking right now. We put the egg in there. They said once it starts boiling, put the egg in there, and then once the candle turns off, we'll be ready to eat. Okay, next round. Frankly, I already lost count, so I know we got rice, some cucumbers, some miso soup. No. And then the sukiyaki will be next. And then dessert. All of this is included in the hotel price, and which was expensive. It's Christmas, so okay. Merry Christmas. And so this is our last round, and looks like what we have: apple and pineapple and some jelly. But because it's Christmas, you also have a little Santa-looking strawberry. Pretty neat.
これなんだケーキ
Cake. Maybe cheesecake? Is it cheesecake? Okay, we just finished eating an awesome dinner. And right now we go in the room, and I want to see. Are you in the right room? Yes, you are in the right room. And we will see how the bed is already made already. Let's see. Am I right or wrong? Yep, see? There it is. There it is. They come in and make your beds while you're eating dinner. And then when we go eat breakfast in the morning, they come and clean up. When you come back to another empty room again. Or at least the stone. And that's the Ryokan experience, right, Choco? So right around the corner from the foot onsen is another cool little shrine. Looking around to see if it was a shrine or a temple. Normally the shrine will have a torii gate, and the temple will have a big grass bell. That's kind of the telltale. And it looks like this is a temple. Let me see. Yes. Yukiburi Jisho. And I guarantee you this water coming out of here is nice and warm from onsen water, because I see the steam coming out. Oh yes, definitely nice and warm. This is where you purify yourself. You wash one hand, the other hand. There's a whole process routine for that. It looks like this is a foot bath as well, too. Yeah, looks like you can just sit there and warm up your feet. Okay, let me go ahead and get ready to pack up the car and head over to Jigokudani. And then after that, we're going to Nagano City and spend 2 nights there in the downtown area. the sites will be much different from what we have been seeing thus far. So I just had one of the coolest experience here in a while. So as I mentioned, I wanted to stop by this, I thought it was a store or something, but it's just a gallery of these bamboo lanterns, I guess you could call them. And right away the ladies came out and started explaining to me how they make them. And then she took me inside her little gallery room and showed me how they burn the bamboo and then place like a little patterns over the bamboo, and then just drill holes, and then they go to the 100 store, which is the what do you call, like the dollar store of Japan, and buy these little lights, like little Christmas lights, and then they burn the bamboo for like no more than 30 seconds, she said, and wipe it because the bamboo will give out oil. You just wipe it, and then there you go. So that is exactly what I was wanting to do for the carport. Well, it's no longer carport in the house in Miwa. It's going to be like my little my little barbecue area. But I wanted to build something like that as a privacy fence, and that is exactly what I'm going to do. So that was really cool. I actually got to see how that's made.